Mamshies. Hello everyone. It's Angel of Boy Mama Filitos living in Panabo, Davao, coming from General Santos City. It's another VA tip while I play with my kids outside the house. Pampi dayo for again.
Two, two, one, go!
Let's have a storytelling. My first failed VA interview. Hindi ako 200k VA nung 12 years old. Pero I'm a VA mom na having a goal na makahelp sa finances ng aming little growing family. In fact, bumagsak pa nga ako sa ibang VA interview. Ito yung lesson na natutunan ko. Number 1, huwag kang madaling sumagot sa mga tanong sa iyo. Mag-prepare ka ng mga example ng mga past work mo. Kahit yung mga volunteer mo lang kasi yun yung ginamit ko noon nung first VA job ko. For example, nagtulong ako sa ukay-ukay business ng ate ko. Parang ganun. Nag-help ka mag-select, mag-sell, mag-manage sa isang store. Create ka ng example kahit volunteer work, kahit ilang months lang yan or year. As long as you have your own experience, hindi kailangan talaga na yung hired ka. Wala ka ganun ka VA experience pa talaga. I suggest you volunteer. Either sa church nyo, community nyo, sa school nyo, di ba? Kasi sinali ko rin actually yung sa school ko kasi di ba, I'm still studying that time. So, kaya effort is an edge talaga. Kahit at first wala pang bayad sa'yo, di ba? Kahit in the physical work pa. So, don't be sad kung wala kang gaanong experience or wala ka pang ganun kalaking income kasi it will help you in return when you will be hired, when you will be applying with a bigger or greater salary. Okay? And then, practice your answer kapag interview na kayo. Alamin mo yung strength mo. Huwag kang matakot sabihin kung ano yung hindi mo pa alam. Basta willing ka to learn. Kung may interview ka soon, tandaan, preparation is the key. In summary, huwag kang magmadaling sumagot sa tanong during the interview. Magkaroon ka ng prepared example ng past work mo. I-relate mo doon sa job description nila. And be specific. Like kung maaari meron kang case study or exact number or quantity and the quality about doon sa job mo or experience mo, and then i-relate mo doon sa tanong ng interviewer. And then alamin mo yung strength mo, mag-practice ka before the interview. Huwag kang matakot sabihin kung hindi mo pa alam, basta willing ka to learn. Sabi mo, hi! I will have my first ever live on TikTok at tomorrow, Saturday, 8 p.m. I'll try until 9 p.m. Kung hindi kaya, until 8:30 lang. Okay? For more VA tips, mom life, more family life, and product finds, follow VA Mom Julitas and others such as. See ya!